Hey.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Run morning setup routine. Open Notepad and type hello.
Task initiated to open Notepad and type hello world. Acknowledge, sir. The task was complete.
Make me spreadsheets on topic AI and its uses and save it in Downloads folder. Make me PPT on India and its history, do it in 10 slides and keep the text blue. This is Brahma AI, a real-life Jarvis. As you saw in demo, it can execute commands and control your PC like a human. It's an advanced automation agent that uses Gemini API to execute commands. It's now an open source project. So stick with me till the end and you will have your own Jarvis on your device for free. Now I will continue showing the features of the app, then I will show you the installation and setup. It can also make websites locally. I will show you a demo right now. Let's ask it to create a website to make and save notes. It can find flights for you and book them too. Let's test finding flights with the AI.
I found 5 flights from Mumbai to Amsterdam on April 11, 2026. The cheapest option is with Emirates for 40,403 TRI.
Let's try asking it to find the current weather of Mumbai right now.
Showing the weather for Mumbai today, sir.
You can see how messy my downloads folder is. Arranging these properly would take me hours of labor work. We can use the AI to solve this problem. It can arrange and manage files too. Now I'll ask to arrange all the files in downloads folder properly.
I have organized your downloads folder by file type. 50 files were moved into category folders.
As you can see that it has arranged them all folder-wise. Let's move towards our next powerful feature, Camera Analyzer. It can use your camera to scan your surrounding and answer your question. Ima asked it to scan my camera and tell me what it can see.
You are holding a smartphone. The screen is dark, but the form factor is clearly that of a mobile phone.
Except Camera Analyzer, it also got Screen Analyzer. You can ask it to view your screen and help fill the form or complete the task. I'm asked to analyze my screen and summarize the article.
A short summary of the document is, Artificial Intelligence, AI, simulates human learning and problem solving, with current trends focusing on generative AI, capable of creating original content.
It can also control your system settings. Let's try asking to download an image and set
Your device's battery is at 100% and is charging.
As you can see, it has completed its task. This agent can also use WhatsApp or any other chatting app to send people messages. Let's try asking to send a message to my friend.
Message sent to Rianch via WhatsApp.
To make it work like a multi-executionals and task agent, I've added auto routines and sequences. Both routines and sequences use the same workflow. You can create a routine from button on the left panel and set a time to auto-execute it. You can also directly ask the AI agent to do so. Excluding those powerful features, it also have a few tools. You can communicate with it using mic, use your hands to control it via gestures, make it work like Alexa by connecting Casa devices and generating CAD projects. You can also connect it to Discord using bot token and channel ID. When connected, it works like a bot mirroring messages and sending commands. With this feature, you can communicate with your bot even when not in your workspace or your home. To set up it, open Discord, create a server, then go to Discord Developer Portal, create an application, name it whatever you want, add the bot to your server with administrator enabled, then go to bot section and enable messages intents. Now go to bot section again and copy bot token and paste it in the app. To get the channel ID, go to Discord, then Settings, Advanced Options, and enable Developer Mode. Now go to your server, right-click on the dedicated channel, and click Copy Channel ID. Now paste it in the app and connect the bot. That's it. Now you have your own chatbot in Discord too. Now let's move towards downloading the app and its setup. So there are two options for you. Either download source code and start it manually, or just download the backend.exe and Brahma AI. If you are a developer or want to learn about these things, then go with source code installation. And for people who just want to use and install easily, downloading the .exe files. So it'll first show installation for only .exe files. Go to my website, link in description. Here in website, make sure to log in, since many times the projects are not shown without login. Once logged in, head over to source code section. Here download the Brahma 5.0.0. You might be asked to subscribe the channel, so just click on subscribe from the button and the subscribe to channel and come back to the website. Now on the project, click download. This will start the download. Once downloaded, go to File Explorer, and in Downloads folder, you might have got the Brahma AI app installation folder. Extract it, and you will see two things. One, Brahma AI 5.0.0.exe. Install to the app, and then double-click on Brahma backend. Now, an app you will be asked for API, thus click on redirection below that will lead you to Google AI Studio. Here, create a new key and copy it. Once pasted the key, the app will start working. For users preferring to install source code, they will have to click on Download on Brahma AI 5.0.0 project. This will lead them to my GitHub page. From here, download the whole zip. I'll drop the commands and description to start and use the app. Well, that's it for today. If you have any questions or errors, join my Discord from description or comment down. Consider subscribing and sharing the GitHub project. Have a good day.